bodyguard. That ain't respectful, my brother. You got to learn to stop joking so much. You got to be real about something in your life at one point. And so that's why I said from day one, I know the type of guy you are. So I don't really no.
Yeah, so you keep attacking me. You keep attacking me.
I didn't say nothing to you, my brother.
You keep coming at me knowing the clown is going to respond. Just
brother, I didn't say your name until you went on another.
You got a whole video. You're playing 4 minutes before every show, knowing damn well that at one point I'm going to be like, all right, and go. And then you get to make another video.
Tell me you don't like that song. Everybody got paid. Tell me you don't like that motherfucking song. All right, then, niggas, what the fuck are you talking about? That's not bashing you. We use your words and made it a funny jingle. How can you get mad? I didn't even do the fucking song.
Bruh.
How can you get mad at somebody making a funny jingle?
You know I don't get mad. All this shit is fun to me.
I know that. That's why I keep trying to get other people to understand. They keep saying, man, y'all, you and Gilbert need to stop this shit. 2 black men, this is a shame. You niggas are 40. And I'm like, these niggas need to shut up because this nigga is not serious.
So are we done? Are we done?
I think we should keep it going. I just want people to understand what you're actually doing. As long as it's fun and game. I told Jack them the same thing. If we joking, I don't give a fuck. We can do our thing.
All right, because I got a birthday gift for you on March 10th.
Send it to me.
Right.
Hey, look here. I don't want to see your motherfucking fat stomach ass in my jersey no more. You done fell off, boy. You was Agent Zero, and now you look like a blimp. What the fuck happened to you, boy?
I'm lazy, bro. I got a gym downstairs I don't even want to use. I just watch TV in it.
That's why you got to buy them strippers, huh? That's a big ass nice king chair. I like that chair though. I ain't gonna lie. Is it real or is it plastic?
No, it's real.
Oh, that's nice now. I ain't gonna front on that. Yeah. So why you fronting like we got beef? I be wanting to tell you.
I say we got beef.
I say Gilbert don't got no beef with me. Gilbert know what time it is with me. He know.
Even when people are like, "Yo, hey, you gonna fight Kwame?" Fuck no, crazy as shit.
I don't even know where the whole fighting thing came from. That never came out my mouth. I told people, I said, Gilbert is a useful idiot. I said that shit early in my life. I said he's a useful idiot. I never lied about Gilbert. You got a lot of things. You're smart on a lot of things. But the thing about it is, I wish somebody could get in your ear and say, yo, man, sometimes that brother Kwame is right. And you need to taper what you're doing in front of the crowd because it makes all of us look a certain way. That's all I'm saying. And if we can get a through line out of this, all I'm saying is you're going to make a lot of money.